Good morning, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus with the weekly look at the livestock markets. We will start with cattle that jumped to a fresh high 2 days ago with a pop above 208 in the June live cattle contract. New highs. I think we've got more upside. You look at the April futures contract sitting around 213. When that comes off the board, that leaves June looking a little cheap. And I think we make the jump into the 210 to 215 area. As long as the cash market stays strong, I think that's where we get any sign of weakness, then we got to watch out. But I think right now I'm looking for 210 to 215, giving the cattle market a little bit of room before we're getting into any major aggressive downside cover strategies. So watch for those numbers there. We've got August feeder cattle need to break above 203 to 204. Otherwise, they look like they're running into some downside resistance where we've kind of peaked recently and put in some highs. So feeder cattle need to push up. They're limited a little bit by higher placements that showed up on the recent cattle on feed report, but they'll take their strength from live cattle still. Don't rule out new highs there as well. But they need to break above some resistance. Otherwise, that might stop the rally. Hog market, June hogs up to 100. I thought that's where we could get to. It's been a tremendous recovery off of 88 low just a few weeks ago. So a $12 rally might hit the brakes on the strength for a little bit here, especially after yesterday. Very weak export sales, like 5,800 tons. Prior 4-week average was over 30,000 tons. So that's a disappointing development. And then China canceled a big pork purchase. We don't know when it's from, but that's not what we want to see. Obviously, China is an important buyer. We want trade deal to eventually get worked out there, which it appears to be headed that way, but be ready for a lot of back and forth. I think June hogs could kind of dip back down to the 95 area before they would strengthen again. But as June and July contracts have gotten back over 100, I'm looking to make sure we've got downside coverage in place. Hope you have a good rest of the week. Hope planting is going well. Where you guys can meet in the fields, call if you have any questions. Thanks.